Understanding Role Expectations, a guide to social dynamics. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of role expectations. This term might sound a bit formal, but it's something we all experience in our daily lives. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone enjoying a family gathering, understanding role expectations can help you navigate social situations more effectively. Let's dive in and uncover what role expectations mean and how they influence our interactions. Role expectations are the behaviors and actions that society considers appropriate for a person based on their position or status. For instance, a teacher is expected to educate and guide students, while a student is expected to learn and follow classroom rules. These expectations can vary greatly across different cultures and settings. Role expectations are not just random. They are shaped by various factors including culture, tradition, and even laws. They help maintain order in society by providing a blueprint for how to act in specific roles. For example, parents are generally expected to care for their children, and employees are expected to follow their company's rules. Role expectations can have a profound impact on our behavior. They can provide a sense of direction and purpose, but they can also lead to pressure and stress. It's important to understand that while it's natural to try to meet these expectations, it's also okay to challenge them if they don't align with your values or if they are unreasonable. Navigating role expectations involves a balance. It's about understanding what is expected, considering how these expectations align with your personal values, and communicating effectively if conflicts arise. Remember, it's healthy to set boundaries and to discuss your role with others, whether in personal or professional settings. Understanding role expectations is key to social harmony and personal fulfillment. By recognizing these unseen guides, we can navigate our roles more consciously and interact with others more effectively. Remember, while it's beneficial to meet role expectations, it's also important to stay true to yourself. I hope this video has shed light on this intriguing aspect of our social lives. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to our next journey into the fascinating world of language and society.